Web developers are responsible for creating websites which are not only visually appealing but highly functional and secure. Here are the few common skills that you need to possess in order to become an ace web developer. Number 1. HTML and CSS skills. HTML is the most commonly used markup language globally. Web developers use this language extensively to build web pages. You also may need to use CSS to style websites. Second, responsive web designing skills. People use different devices. For example, some may use a mobile phone, some may use a laptop. So you need to make sure that their experience is great all through these devices, because that will directly affect the number of visitors a website will get. Testing and debugging skills. In case you find any errors, you must have the knowledge to debug them. Regular testing ensures that your code is working as expected. Fourth, search engine optimization. Now I know what you must be thinking. That is something that digital marketers should know, right? But no. As a web developer, this is something that you need to know too, because SEO is directly responsible for the views that you get in your website. So a knowledge of SEO is definitely a plus. Fifth, analytical skills. Web developers often need to examine any errors in their code. This will require good analytical skills. Furthermore, as a web developer, you will have to analyze the needs of your client and adapt accordingly to make any changes in the website that they want.